Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these delicious Spanish cupcakes. So for this video, my cousin will be helping me out, but for her own privacy reasons, her voice won't be heard throughout this video, so I apologize in advance. Anyways guys, let's get started. So for the ingredients you're going to need 3 eggs, 100 grams of sugar, 200 grams of flour but separated into 2 different compartments, 1 orange, 80 grams of milk, 150 grams of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, a pinch of salt, and 7 grams of yeast. You will also need something to decorate with, such as sugar or almonds. You will also need some cupcake wrappers. Now let's get cooking. In a large bowl, add the eggs. Add the sugar. Mix it all together. Now add the orange zest. Mix again. Add the salt and vanilla. Keep mixing. Now slowly add the oil while you're mixing. Add the milk. Now add half of the flour and mix. Add the yeast, add the rest of the flour, when it's ready, it should look like this. Cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for over an hour, and you can leave it overnight. Meanwhile, prepare the mold. I left mine in the refrigerator for an hour and a half, and then I mixed it together. Now fill up the mold. Make sure you only fill it up to 2/3. And then decorate it before putting it in the oven. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees and then put the cupcakes in. After 5 minutes, put the temperature a little bit lower and keep checking on them until they're cooked. And here's what they look like when they're ready. Let them cool down before eating them. And this is it for the cupcakes, guys. I hope you guys tried them out. They taste delicious. They are super fluffy. And overall, they're amazing for the whole family. And they're also super fluffy in the inside. Now onto the yogurts. The yogurts are super easy to prepare and they taste amazing. For the ingredients, you're gonna need 1 liter of milk that is separated in half. 250 grams of plain yogurt. As much sugar as you want, I put 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. Now let's get cooking. So to prepare this, you can use a machine, which I have right here, but don't worry if you don't have this. All you need is something large like a pot or a bowl, and then you're going to put some cups inside, which you're going to fill with yogurt. And then you'll pour boiling water on the sides. And lastly, you're going to cover it. In a pot, you're going to add half of the milk. Heat up the milk. Now in a different large pot, you're going to add the yogurt. Sugar. Mix it all together. Add the vanilla. Add the cold milk while mixing. Now slowly add the hot milk while mixing. Now in the cups, you're going to add the mixture. cover up the cups. And add the boiling water. And finally cover it. Let this cook for 10 hours or overnight. After letting this sit overnight, put it in the refrigerator and then you're all done. And ta-da, here is the finished outcome. What do you guys think? Comment down below if it looks delicious and if you try it out. If you try this out and you post it on Instagram, make sure to tag me. Like, share, comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe because I post videos every Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for watching and keep smiling.